If you use your voice all day in meetings, on calls, presenting, teaching, and your voice feels tired or a bit worn out by the end of the day, this video is for you. Most people assume vocal fatigue comes from when you use your voice too much, but that is actually rarely the issue. What I see all the time is this: your voice isn't tired because you're talking, it's tired because it's working inefficiently. You're pushing a little more than you realize. You might be holding some tension that you're not aware of, and you're compensating just enough to make it through the day until the voice says, nope, no more. And the tricky part is, it doesn't feel dramatic at first. Your voice just feels a little heavier, a little less responsive, like it needs more effort to do the same job. That is not a sign to stop using your voice. That is a sign that your system needs a reset, needs to recalibrate. A vocal reset isn't about warming up harder or doing longer routines. It's about helping your voice recalibrate so your breath and your sound and your effort are back in balance. When that happens, your voice doesn't have to work so hard to be present, steady, and reliable. That's exactly why I created the Vocal Reset. It's a short guided reset you can use before you go into meetings or when your voice starts to feel off and you need to recover quickly. Not to fix your voice, but to bring it back to where it works with you again. So if your voice fades as the day goes on or feel like you're constantly managing it, the Vocal Reset is designed for moments like that. You can find the link below.